Now let us discuss a 46th question. The number of sigma and pi bonds in the pent 2-ene and 4-ene is. Here they are asking number of sigma bonds and pi bonds in the given compound. Now let us try to write the structure of given compound. Here they given pent, that means 5 carbons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us number the given carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they given 2-ene, that means at the position of carbon 2 there is presence of double bond. Ene means double bond. Okay. And next 4-ene, that means at the position of carbon 4, ene means there is presence of triple bond. Now satisfy the valence of carbon by hydrogens. Bond hydrogen, here single bond, here carbon contains one hydrogen, here carbon contains one hydrogen, there is presence of one single bond, and last carbon contains one hydrogen. This is the structure of pent 2-ene and 4-ene. Now let us count the number of sigma bonds and pi bonds in the given compound. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We know that double bond containing one pi bond and one sigma bond. Also, one triple bond containing two pi bonds and one sigma bond. Here 8 sigma bonds present. We have to add one sigma bond from double bond and one sigma bond from triple bond. It becomes 8 sigma plus 2 sigma, that will give rise to 10 sigma bonds. Now let us count the number of pi bonds. Here double bond containing one pi bond plus triple bond containing two pi bonds. 1 plus 2, 3 pi bonds. Now let us verify the given options. Here fourth option containing no pi bonds. Eliminate the fourth option. And here the number of pi bonds are 2 pi bonds. Eliminate the third option also. Here option 2 containing 5 pi bonds. So eliminate the option 2 also. Here now let us verify the option 1. Here 3 pi bonds and 10 sigma bonds are present. So our answer is A is our correct answer.